there. Now, up the right nose, you can see the wide part of the Potomac down there. That's the northern neck. That's basically where we're headed. But if you look back on the left side of the aircraft, that's all the Potomac coming down there. And where it gets real wide, you can see the Wilson Bridge. And just beyond that, that's D.C. You can see some of the monuments today. That's how clear it is. That's like 45 miles away. Oh, these colors are just spectacular.
There's a plane that landed somewhere right over there.
That's Stafford Airport.
Stafford, okay.
Yep. And they have a VOR approach. That's probably what he was shooting. I've been watching him for a while.
Okay.
They have a lot of troops that come out and practice the VOR approaches on the weekend. What?
Power plant.
Yeah, that's just the other side of Dahlgren.
Dahlgren, okay.
Beautiful countryside. See the farms, and there's church right ahead of the right wing for you, and a lot of homes with pretty big yards. I wouldn't want to have to mow that grass, but it sure looks nice.
Yep.
There's such beautiful country out here. So, are you enjoying the sounds and sights and smells of a open cockpit biplane? I mean, there's just nothing like it. You can't describe this to people. You just have to experience it.
Exactly. Much better visibility than a Cessna.
Oh gosh, yeah. Yeah, you want a real thrill. Look straight up.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that cool? Can't do that in a Cessna.
No.
Beautiful, beautiful Potomac. Yeah, you can honestly see all of D.C. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Solar farm?
Landfill?
Yeah, it's landfill, but there's a solar farm. You see some of the panels on this side, there's some on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That big thing, that's a right off the wing tip, that's a commercial greenhouse.
Oh, okay.
You like to have one of those houses over there on the left. This is about as clear as I've seen it this year. Just unbelievable visibility. You really lucked out.
Yeah. I can't remember flying in something as clear as this.
There's an eagle.
Where?
Went behind it. It was too quick.
Okay. I see something back there.
That was one.
Yeah. That's not Colonial Beach. Colonial Beach is that way, right?
That's correct, yeah. You can see it. Look up. 3 o'clock high.
I see him.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to raise the wing and you should see him again. 3 o'clock high.
I see him.
There you go. Cool. Got you an eagle. Oh, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. High, just a little bit. 10 o'clock, right there. See him?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Way cool.
Yeah.
Yeehaw! Hey, first 2 eagles of the year out here. Awesome. Okay, that little clearing down there on the water, that's part of Caledon. And so we're sort of over the whole, it's a state park. So we're sort of, okay, 10 o'clock level. Got him? Against the clouds?
Yep.
Yep, right up the wingtip now. Way cool. Oh man, that's 3 eagles in one day. That's the record for the year.
Right.
So anyway, as I was saying, this is Caledon out here that we're flying over right now. You know, just kind of a natural area. Eagles nest in here, and of course they want to be left alone, so they have those areas kind of roped off. But they do have the public area, and they have a little display on the eagles and all that. But this is definitely an eagle-rich area.
So did you have hiking?
Did I have what?
Just regular hiking?
Yeah, well, I mean, to a limited. It's not really hiking trails per se.